guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some products by Docolor. They were kind enough to send over some stuff for me to show you guys. So they sent over the Gemstone collection. There are 6 9-color palettes inside this box. And they were also kind enough to send over the 19-piece makeup brush set. And all the brushes inside here are like an ancient Egypt theme. And I absolutely love that. I find ancient Egypt so interesting. And I was just like, when I saw these brushes. All right, so inside the Gemstone collection, it comes packed nice and tight in there. All of the palettes are in there. Let's take them out. We have Mind, Soul, Reality, Space, Power, and Time. I'm gonna open all these up so you guys can see the color stories of each palette. They are absolutely gorgeous. All right, so here is what Time looks like. So super stunning. And you guys, watch this. Barely touched my finger in there. Holy cow. Next we have Power, which looks a little something like this. So gorgeous. Here we have Space. Beautiful. Reality, and I did use this one on my eyes today. Super pretty. Here is Soul, which is also on my eyes today. And Mind, which is also on my eyes today. Absolutely stunning palette, you guys. So gorgeous. Next, moving right along to the 19-piece makeup brush set. Look at the packaging. Love that. So beautiful. And here are what the brushes look like. Super soft bristles. Love the color. And on the handle, you guys, super cute detail. Hieroglyphics. I am so in love. And inside the 19-piece makeup brush set, you will be getting a powder brush, foundation brush, blush brush, contour brush, highlighting brush, concealer brush, 1, 2, 3, 4 blending brushes, a shader brush, 3 eyeshadow brushes, a detail brush, eyebrow brush, eyeliner brush, lip brush, and fan brush. So all of these products came right before I was gonna start my eyes. So I didn't get a chance to use any of the face brushes yet, but I am so excited to try those out just because they are so soft. But yeah, if you would like to see how I got this look on my eyes using the Gemstone collection and the 19-piece makeup brush set by Docolor, then just stay tuned. Okay, so I've primed my eyes with a yellow base. Now I'm going in with the palette called Mind, and we are, you guys look at this palette, how gorgeous it is. We are just gonna go in with this color right here on one of these fluffy blending brushes. And I'm just going to place that right up here. All right, so now we're going in with the Soul palette. And I'm gonna go in with this orange right here. All right, so now we're going in with the Reality palette. Opening this palette up, super gorgeous. I'm going in with this bright, fiery red orange, and we are just placing that right in here. Okay, so now I'm going back in with the Soul palette. I am taking this shade right here, this shade right here, and this shade, applying those all to my eye. Then we're gonna go up with this shade, fade that out, and then finish it up with this amazing glitter. All right, so I just lined my eyes with a red pencil, and I'm going back in with the first 2 colors that we used up here. I just did a little bit of graphic liner. I'm gonna add some lashes, do my lips, and I'll be right back. Well, that is it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. I just want to say a big thank you to Docolor for sending me all of these products to try. I am in love and I cannot wait to play with them a whole lot more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.